Hey YouTube, it's Jess. Welcome to my channel. This is my June cash breakdown. If you're interested in watching, please stay tuned. This is the template that I'm using. This is the free printable from Budget Mom. This is a monthly budget, but I just use it per paycheck even though it says monthly. For me, it's really bi-weekly. And this is the second paycheck. And then I like to put just the month and the date. And then for this budget, we're working with $633. Then we're not dealing with fixed expenses because I already auto paid all that, and we're going straight into our variable expenses. Hopefully you can see that. It should be in camera. So the first item we have is groceries, and this month I am budgeting $200. So my aim is to spend $100 or less a week for my family of 4. And next up we have our fun, and this is the money that we use for all of us eating out, if we go out, mini golf, things of that nature. Then I have gas. For gas I put in $60 as well. And then lastly is personal. And personal I use for things like my hobbies, Dollar Tree trips, things like that. So putting 50 into that. And that gives me a total of $370. So I have $370 there. So $370 minus $633 gives me $263, and that $263 is going into our sinking funds. And I'm going to further break down our sinking funds. So I have a few new sinking funds. I'm going to put those towards the top, and then I'll work our way down. So my first new one is gifts. I realized that I've been going to a lot of birthday parties, baby showers, things of that nature now that things are opening up. So I wanted to start a fund for that because I've been cash flowing it or taking it out from kids or my personal fund. So I just decided to start one so that I have some money whenever I get invited to another birthday party or event. So I'm starting it off very small with $5 for now. So I have that. Then I have my, second up, I decided to separate my beauty and health, which I figured I would soon. So for health, I'm putting in $30 into that. Then next up is Ken fun, my dog, and for him I'm putting in $6 this time around. And then next up I have my saving challenges, and I'm putting in $7 towards that. And I added it on there just so I remember to take the money out and include it. Then I have the kids fund, which is getting $20 because like I mentioned, I don't really need diapers right now, so I don't need to put as much into that. And then I have clothes, which I'm putting in $20, another $20. Then I have my beauty fund, which is getting $20 as well. And then I have my car fund, which is getting $20 as well. And that should be $168. And then I have my top tier 3, which I want to always fund those. So the first one is vacation, and vacation is getting $50. Then I have Christmas, and that is getting $50. And then I have a back to school. And back to school is getting $35. So altogether that should equal $263, and I'm just gonna confirm real quick. $263. So we'll be stuffing $263 into these funds. This is our payment breakdown.